So they say toothpaste. It's very cooling, right? And yes, we all know how black I've gotten. And yesterday I was scrubbing some color off of my forehead. So this is my own make of cooling my face down, especially my forehead. Make sure it doesn't go in the eyes because it burns a little. But yeah, buy any of these 12 products here and stand a chance to win an X70 or 38,000 ringgit or 8,000 ringgit. All you have to do, snap a picture of your receipt, answer yes, send it. I just say don't put on my eyes, right? And send it to the number below here. And yeah, I hope I get whiter after this. I feel whiter already. Oh, I just feel very fresh. Wow, very, very fresh from the Morning Kiss toothpaste. Whew. And we are on the way to Juru. Wow, Juru is about another 8 to 9 hour drive, and now it's, what time is it? 1 hour before, so it's 12. It's 12. We will get there for dinner. We'll see. Goodbye! Eight hours. 8 hours on the road.
We are at the border, Bukit Kayu Hitam, but I don't see no Kayu that's hitam.
Okay, back to me now. Enough of this uncle joke. How was the drive though? The drive was fun, no? I prefer Thailand road so much. I mean the roads have so many bends, so nice on Miatas, but a bit quite dangerous because they have the U-turns. And what else?
Overtaking on the left is weird.
It's quite fun to me lah, cause you just like silang, and I done Stondi.
Kids waving at us is fun. From behind pickup trucks.
And yeah, all the roads are pretty nice too. I mean, properly tarred. Not a lot of potholes all actually.
Dark roads. They let you see bright skies, bright stars.
That was at the beginning of our. Okay. But yeah. I mean, coming back here, that's about it. Today's just a lot of driving. And now we're crossing the border. How did you think Evo Enduro was? Like as a participant, semi-participant lah, cause you help. You help with the organization. Not organization, just a lot of. You help a lot. Thank you lah.
It's good. It's good. The way you all flow. It's good to see how things can change. Everyone just moves with the change. Keeps the participant as the priority. That's good.
Anything we can change?
Don't know. Too difficult to answer. More interesting food. I think some of the food choices are limited to the place has to be big enough. So you might not get the best food.
That's true. I think the best part for me of this Evo Enduro was you. Yes, I see the face already. I have to say, obligated to say, stop this! Stupid!
You do it, you do it.
No!
Come on.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
No.
Besides me?
I think the people this year was so awesome. I mean, meeting all the drivers, all the different type of people. Everyone got summer wavelength one, a bit sort on here. I think
just
so.
Enough crazy.
Yeah, just enough crazy. I think this year's group was very, very, very amazing. All very appreciative of the things that the Horizon team has been doing.
very understanding.
Very
also
understanding.
when things don't go
Yeah,
according to plan.
yeah. So thank you so much, guys. I mean, because of y'all, it made it so much easier for us. Even though there was the car that broke down. Not broke down, it just couldn't drive far anymore.
Because Volkswagen happened. Ooh.
And there was this stupid guy that always change profession one. Man, this guy always kacau like this Cabriolet and Volkswagen. Come on lah, we want to talk numbers. How many Cabriolet owners versus how many Volkswagen owners?
Cup holders want to fight.
Very nice, very nice group of people, very nice bunch. So thank you so much, guys. It was it was really a pleasure organizing something for a bunch of people who really appreciate it lah and really enjoy it. But of course, if there's anything that we could change, do tell us. And qualifying cars, that one please go bug Bobby. I have no say. I only have says for drop the tops, and all drop the tops qualified. Yay! Okay, bye!
Yes?
What you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
What you doing?
Cleaning glass.
Being a good co-driver?
Good photo.
Being Bing's bitch? We have arrived! And we dropped the top the entire way from Phuket. We dropped the top the entire way from Phuket.
Yes,
Oh,
we
look
did.
at that
Yes,
bird.
we did.
Look at the my sexy bird. 10 lines. Yo.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Whoa.
You're ovary.
Hey. Guys, check it out! Oh my god! That's my baby. And this is my baby shop. Oh my god. This is a drop the top. This is amazing. This is amazing. Oh my god. This is really amazing. Look at that. Oh my god. This is very surreal for me. Hello, hi. This is so surreal. Look at all the cabriolets on the drop the top. Look at everyone. Wow. Hey, morning.
Good morning.
Cup holders.
Cup holder.
Guys, finally back. It is so dark. Probably can't see my baby, but it is. Hi, Marco. Close to 8, and I stopped by at Evo. So this is my grandma.